If you've ever needed to add a copyright symbol to your artwork or images in Adobe Photoshop, but weren't quite sure how to do it quickly or cleanly, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know 2 simple and reliable ways to insert a copyright symbol, whether you want to use a keyboard shortcut or the Glyphs panel. No more hunting for the right character or copy-pasting from somewhere else. You'll have all the tools you need to give your work that professional polish. Let's jump straight in. First, we're going to use keyboard shortcuts, which is honestly the quickest way when you're just looking to add the symbol to a text layer. Step 1. Grab your type tool. You'll find this in the toolbar over on the left, or you can simply tap T on your keyboard. Once you have the type tool active, click anywhere on your Photoshop document. This will create a brand new text layer so you can start typing. If you're working with a design that already has text, feel free to select that layer instead. Now here's where the magic happens, the shortcut. If you're on Windows, hold down the Alt key, then type 0169 using your numeric keypad, not the row above the letters, but the dedicated number pad to the right. Be sure num lock is on. It's a bit of a secret handshake, so don't worry if it feels awkward the first time. If you're on Mac, it's even easier. Hold down the Option key, then press the letter G. The copyright symbol should appear instantly in your text field. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you're using the type tool and that your cursor is active inside the text layer. Sometimes, especially on laptops or compact keyboards, you may need to toggle numlock or use the on-screen keyboard for the numeric keypad. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to pop in a copyright symbol without breaking your creative flow. Now, let's look at the second method, using the Glyphs panel. This is particularly helpful if you're working with a font where you're not sure if the symbol exists, or if you want to visually browse all the special characters a font offers. Start by grabbing the type tool and clicking directly onto your document, just like before, to create or select your text layer. Next, head up to the top menu and find Type. Click that, and then choose Glyphs from the drop-down menu. This opens up a neat little panel that's basically a treasure chest of special characters. At first, it will show you all the available glyphs for your current font. Here's a good tip. Different fonts include different symbols. So if you don't see the copyright symbol right away, use the drop-down at the top of the panel to try another font. Most standard fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, or Helvetica have it. Once you spot the copyright symbol, usually marked as INI or copyright, double-click it. That's all it takes. And Photoshop will insert the symbol right where your cursor is in the text layer. From here, you have all the usual freedom to resize, move, or format it. Adjust the color, add a drop shadow, or even warp the text. A copyright symbol works just like any other character in your Photoshop design. And there you have it. 2 easy professional ways to insert a copyright symbol in Photoshop, whether you're working fast or need a little more control over your font choices. Don't stress if it takes a couple tries to get the shortcut down. And remember, the Glyphs panel is always there if you need to be sure about your symbol. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or tips about using symbols in Photoshop, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tutorials to boost your creative workflow. See you in the next video.